Let's have some fun with this day trader game that I'm going to call Spot the Contradiction, and in doing so, hopefully either help you out, get you over the edge, or just as an illustration to remind us all as day traders of is just how crazy the mind can be and how it can cause you to arrive at, quite frankly, irrational positions. So let's take a look at a message I got from somebody, and I'll set up the context as we go. And then, let's see as I go through it, can you spot the contradiction? So this person says, "Hello, Clay. I am still planning to sign up." First bit of context. What are they planning to sign up for? Well, my trading program, which will teach you how to trade, how to make money. So that's what they're looking to sign up for. They want to sign up for my program, which will teach them how to make money, how to consistently trade. So let's keep moving. I just want to earn some money from trading first and then to sign up. Now at this point, I want you to pause the video and down in the comment section, let me know, do you see any sort of contradiction? Now to be fair, maybe this is a sneaky video and there is no contradiction, but maybe there is a contradiction. Again, pause the video, let me know down below. Okay, did you pause? Or did we just have an awkward silence where I just sat here like this? So yes, I'm assuming you see it. Wait a second. So this person's signing up for something intended to teach them how to trade, but then they're planning to pay for this thing that will teach them how to trade is to go trade and make money. Right? That doesn't make any sense at all, because if you can already consistently make money, then why would you need to go make that money to pay for something that'll teach you to do something that you already know how to do? Or another example I like to do, in fact, it might have been like the second video I ever did on this channel, I like to call the surgeon's dilemma. So a little scenario, let's say that I want to become a brain surgeon. And of course I got to go to medical school to become a brain surgeon, but I walk up to you and say, listen, can I perform brain surgery on you? And then when you pay me for the performing brain surgery, I'm going to take that money and then go to medical school to learn how to become a brain surgeon, right? That's just bonkers. Of course you would never do that. But yet that's the same exact logic that's being applied here. So to you, those of you, and I'm not trying to turn this to a sales pitch for my program, but I will turn it to a sales pitch for everybody's program. If you feel comfortable with somebody and you want their program, but then you're using this logic, just stop and think. It doesn't actually make sense. And I'm not trying to be mean to this person because again, we all kind of go through thought process like, wait a second, that doesn't make sense. And my job as an educator is to point out some potential areas of your logic that don't quite add up if you just stop and reflect on it. So if you're thinking about somebody else's program, I hope this video can push you off the edge to go, and I wish you all the best with that person. Of course, I'd love to have you in my program, but whatever you think is gonna be best for you. And then again, as us as day traders, before you go and think, what a moron, how can somebody think like that? Let's all be careful because we've all thought dumb things and we are always at risk of justifying bad decisions within our trading from a psychology standpoint. And like I said, from that angle, this just serves up another example of how crazy the mind can be. So hopefully you spotted the contradiction. Hopefully you realize that, this is not the best way to go about your trading education, because I mean, bluntly, it just doesn't make any sense. It's one massive contradiction. So I hope this helps. And like I said, hopefully you left me your answer down below so we didn't have an awkward silence together. But if we did, it happens. So want to keep this video quick. So yes, very quick, but a very, very powerful thing that you need to keep in mind moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.